Hey guys, this side Sahil, and suppose that today is Sahil's birthday. So today is Sahil's birthday. Sahil's birthday. And you want to wish him happy birthday. You want to call him and wish him happy birthday. So what will you need? You will need to have a phone. Yeah, that is necessary. And you will need to have a SIM card. And you need to know Sahil's phone number, right? So you have a phone and you have the phone number of Sahil and you have got a connection. You have a connection, right? After that, you can call Sahil and you will get connected and you can wish Sahil a happy birthday, right? But what if you want to text Sahil and say him happy birthday through any social media app? It can be WhatsApp or Facebook. How will that work? How will the message get delivered to Sahil? So this is what we are going to see in this video. So the working of TCP and IP, the Internet Protocol Suite. Let us first get the summary of what we are going to cover in this video. So the basic functioning of Internet. Whenever a message is being sent, following things happen. At the source computer, source means the computer from which the message is being sent. So at the source computer, the message get divided into smaller pieces, right? The message get divided into smaller pieces. Who does that job? TCP does that job. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. And each small pieces are called packets. So the job of TCP is to divide the whole message into smaller pieces, and each pieces are called packets. After that, packets are serialized. So the packet number 1 will get a number of 1, the packet number 2 will get a number of 2, and packet number 3 will get the number of 3. And after that, the source and destination address is added. Source address is your IP address, and destination address is the IP address of the receiver. After that, all the packets are sent to the destination. Okay, now after the packet has been sent, the last job of TCP is to rearrange all that packet to form the original message. Okay, so this was the basic summary. Now let us see how that actually happened. So suppose that this is your computer and this is Sahil's computer. Okay, this is your computer and this is Sahil's computer. And you want to text Sahil and say him happy birthday, Sahil. How will that work? First of all, the first job is of TCP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission means the act of sending something from one body to another body. Control means the control over transmission, and protocol means the rule. The rules of Internet. Protocols of cricket means the rules of cricket. So TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. The protocol that has a control over transmission. Okay? So in this case, we are sending the message happy birthday Sahil to Sahil's PC, right? We are sending this message to Sahil's PC. How will that happen? So suppose that your IP address is 192.168.0.5 and Sahil's IP address is 192.168.0.6, right? Now this message will get divided into smaller pieces. So this whole message will get divided into smaller pieces. Who does that job? It is done by TCP. So the job of TCP is to divide the whole message into smaller pieces. So this is the message number 1, which is happy, HAPPY, happy. The message number 2, which is birthday, BIRTHDAY, birthday. And message number 3, which is Sahil. What are these messages called? These are called the packets. So the job of TCP is to divide the whole message into smaller parts, and these parts are called packets. So this will be packet number 1, this will be packet number 2, and this will be packet number 3. So this will be packet number 1, this will be packet number 2, and this will be packet number 3. Now the next job is of IP. IP stands for Internet Protocol, the protocol that configures the IP addresses. So each packet will be assigned the source IP address and the destination IP address. Source IP address is the address of the sender, and destination address is the address of the receiver. So in this case, the source IP address is this. So this is the source IP address. The source IP address will be get assigned to each and every packets. Okay. And after that, the destination IP address will be assigned to each and every packet. So in this case, the destination IP address is this, So it will be assigned to each and every packet. So the job of TCP is to divide the whole message into smaller pieces. Each pieces are called packets. Packets has been serialized. The IP addresses are attached. Now the packets are made. So this is packet number 1, this is packet number 2, and this is packet number 3. Okay, now these packets will get delivered to the destination. So the packet number 1 will get delivered to the destination, followed by packet number 2. Okay, packet number 2 will get delivered to the destination, and then the packet number 3. Now you can notice that the packets are not serialized, the packets are not in order. So the last job of TCP is to arrange that packet depending upon the serial number. So packet number 1 will come first, packet number 2 will come second, and packet number 3 will come at the third. So the last job of TCP is to arrange that packet depending upon the serial number. Here packet number 2, and then the packet number 3. Okay. Now the serial number, the IP address will get stripped off, and then the original message is obtained. So now everything is removed, and the original message, which is happy birthday Sahib, is obtained. So the original message is obtained. This is how a message is being sent from the source computer to the destination computer. The job of TCP is to divide the message into smaller pieces. Each pieces are called packets. Then the job of IP is to assign the source address and the destination address. After that, each and every packets are sent to the destination, and then the TCP's last job is to arrange that packet depending upon their serial number, and then the IP addresses and the serial number are stripped off, and the original message is obtained. So this is how the TCP and IP work. Okay, so this was the video. If you have any queries, then you can please comment. I'll attach the session PDFs in the description. Guys, thanks for watching.